I'm going to show you a simple way to start making real money online using AI. Even if you've never used AI tools before, have no technical skills, and don't know where to start. And the best part? You can begin today with zero upfront cost. Let me show you exactly how this works. Not long ago, I was completely overwhelmed trying to make money online. I'd spend hours watching videos, trying different side hustles, and honestly, none of them worked for me. I felt like everyone else was getting results except me. Then I discovered a way to use AI to automate the hard stuff, researching, writing, posting, replying, all the things that used to take me forever. I didn't become rich overnight, but for the first time, I started earning consistent income online without feeling stressed or burnt out. And now I share everything I've learned so you can avoid the mistakes I made and finally start getting results too. All right, let's break this down into 5 simple steps so you can see exactly how to start making money online using AI, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Understand why AI is the biggest online income shift. Before we get tactical, you need to understand the big picture. Most people are still trading time for money. They write emails, answer messages, create posts, research ideas, all manually. But AI can now do huge chunks of that work, faster, 24/7, and almost for free. So instead of worrying about AI taking jobs, smart people are asking, how can I use AI to create assets and services that make money for me? Think about all the repetitive tasks people do online every day. Research, writing, posting, responding, analyzing. AI can do all of that, which means your opportunity starts right here. Step 2. Choose one. AI income lane. This is where most people get stuck. They try 10 different AI side hustles at once. Instead, pick one lane like AI content creation, helping businesses create posts, emails, blogs, and video scripts, AI research insights, using AI to study markets, competitors, or trends, AI customer support systems, setting up chat assistants that reply instantly, AI social media management, planning and posting content for clients. You don't need to master everything. Just ask, which of these could I commit to for 90 days? Pick one and lock in. Step 3. Build a simple results-based offer. Now you turn your lane into something people will actually pay for. You only need 3 things. 1. Who you help. Coaches, e-commerce owners, real estate agents, local businesses. 2. What problem you solve. I need consistent content. I need research. I need someone to handle messages. 3. What result they get. More leads, more sales, more time back. And remember, clients don't care that you're using AI. They care about the outcome. So instead of saying, I'll generate AI content for you, you say, I'll handle all your content for you so you can focus on running your business. AI does the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Step 4. Land your first clients without a website. Now let's get real. You don't need a fancy website, logo, or brand. You need conversations. Here are simple ways to get clients. Cold DMs. Hey, I noticed your page isn't updated consistently. I help create regular content using AI so you stay visible without spending hours writing. Want a free sample? People you already know who run businesses, Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities where your niche hangs out ask natural questions like, if you could remove one time-draining task from your week, what would it be? Then present your offer as the solution. You only need a couple of clients at a few hundred a month each to build momentum. Step 5. Systemize, scale, and turn AI into a real business. Once you've helped clients and have your systems dialed in, scaling becomes easy. Here's how it looks. 1. Systemize everything. Save your prompts, templates, checklists, workflows. 2. Raise your prices. Add research, social media, or customer support to your packages. 3. Create digital products. Turn what you've learned into a simple starter guide or mini course. 4. Automate even more. The more AI handles, the more clients you can serve, or the more free time you earn. Ask yourself, if AI is doing the work, what's the highest value thing I can do? Usually, strategy, communication, and improving your system. So now you know exactly how to start making money online with AI. You understand the opportunity, you know the best income lanes, you've seen how to build an offer, you know how to land your first clients, and you have a roadmap to scale it. If you found this helpful and you want more step-by-step videos on using AI to make real money, please subscribe. I've got some powerful videos coming up that you won't want to miss.